Hi, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI. This is a 12-part series, and this one is the 6th video in that series where we are building step by step a very powerful chatbot. We will be using Streamlit, Pydantic AI, and DeepSeek and other models. Now, the advantage of DeepSeek is currently it is one of the most powerful one and is priced very low. And Streamlit is something that makes it very easy to build both front-end and back-end full stack application quickly. So Pydantic AI offers a very powerful agentic system. That is what we'll use. So in this video, we are going to add RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, and here we will use PDF documents. So we'll load the PDF, then chunk it, then create embeddings and save embeddings as a vector store, and then retrieve relevant chunks and use it. But in this video, we will not use agentic RAG. We will use simple manual concatenated RAG system. So let's see how it works. So this is our placeholder website. And here is our chat icon. When you click, you will notice that there is a left collapsible sidebar. And there it says drag and drop files here. Okay. So let's see how easily we can add. I'm going to drop a PDF file about our company. It's uploaded and it's saying it's processed. We will see where it stores the processed information. Okay, so that is done. Now if you ask, can you tell me about Shogini? That is our company name. Shogini is a software development company that has been featured in the media. Okay, so who is Sri Prakash? Okay, so that is about me. So now here, company specific local information we can provide using such a RAG system. So this is how it works. Now, let's see how you can run this easily. All the code that you need is provided in the description. So what you need to do first is to git clone the repo URL, which you will get it from the description. I'm not cloning it, I have already cloned it. And then cd into Techie Talks AI folder. And from there you come to 0007. That is where all the files are there. And if you see, you will see some extra folders which are required for this thing. You don't need to create these folders. When you clone itself, these folders come. Okay, all you need to do is to create the .env file as explained in the previous video. If you look at the files, you will notice that there is this env file you need to create. So please populate this env.example with your API keys and rename it as .env. That is the only change that you need to do. And after that, when you drag and drop PDF documents, this vector store will contain the embeddings saved as vectors. And this PDFs folder will contain the uploaded documents. So these PDF documents will go through different activities. One is chunking, that is splitting them into smaller units, then converting those chunks into embeddings. Embeddings are vectors in a high dimensional space. And after that, we will use the vector store to store them into Chroma DB. So let's look at the code. So here we have the initialize RAG section where we will set the embedding object, text splitter parameters, and the folders where we maintain the vector store and the uploaded document. So this is where we are processing the PDF. So here we are getting these two values, embeddings and the text splitter objects. Then PDF folder we are defining, and we are creating an empty documents list, and we will iterate through all the uploaded PDF documents. And here, first thing, we will load the PDF, then we will split it, and then we will add it to the list. Okay, and then if there are documents in the list, what we will do is we will convert them to embeddings and save it in the Chroma vector store. Okay, so that is the new function that we have added. So here at the start of the application, we are checking if session has RAG initialized object. If it is not there, it will call the process PDF, so that it is not unnecessarily called. It's only called once. So this is the sidebar where we are adding the file uploader of Streamlit. Okay, where we are accepting files of type PDF, and multiple file upload true we are providing, so that multiple files can be dropped into that location. If there are files uploaded, we'll call the process PDF and also update the response in the session variable RAG_initialized, so that this won't be called again and again. So first part of RAG is over, where we are chunking or splitting the document and converting them to embeddings or converting them to set of meaningful numbers, and then saving it in a vector store. That is the first part of the RAG. Second part is to fetch relevant chunks based on the user's query. So that is where this function comes handy, where we will pass the query. So here the query is passed. We are doing the Chroma DB similarity search function to find the matching chunks, and it will join these chunks as a string and return it. Clear? And then we are creating an extended prompt where RAG_system prompt, we are adding the context variable. We will see where we are using this RAG_system prompt. If you come down, so if you see this, user's query is being passed to get RAG context, and we will get all the matching chunks in this context variable as a string. Then that context we are passing to this formatter, so that we will get one long string where this context will be added to that string. And then what we will do is, we will in agent.run, instead of sending just the user's new prompt, we will also pass this full system prompt, so that the context for this prompt will be made available through this system. That is the manual RAG that we are adding in this one. Next video we will change this into Pydantic's agentic RAG system. Please give your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section, and also please like and share and subscribe to our channel, and make sure that you stay tuned till the last video, 12th video, where we'll add a new tool to make the booking, so we can capture user information and also present user with a booking reference number using Pydantic AI agent. So thank you for your time. See you again. Bye bye.